Curried sausages, a staple in many homes. This recipe is perfect for a weekday meal. Start by peeling and slicing 2 medium onions. Peel and remove the ends of 2 medium carrots. Slice how you desire. Spray some oil in a frying pan on medium heat. Add 8 sausages. I'm using beef. Turn sausages occasionally while cooking. Once sausages are cooked, remove from the frying pan. Slice the sausages. Using the same frying pan the sausages were cooked in, add the sliced onion and cook on medium heat. Add 30 grams of butter to the pan and stir. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic. Add 3 tablespoons of curry powder of your choice and stir. Add approximately 2 tablespoons of plain flour. This will thicken the curry sauce. Stir the flour around the pan to incorporate the curry powder, garlic and butter. Add sliced carrots. Put 1.5 tablespoons of stock powder of choice into the pan. I use beef. Pour 1 cup of water in the pan and stir. When the sauce thickens, add 1 more cup of water and stir. Add sliced sausages and cook. Add a good pinch of salt and pepper. Stir occasionally. Just before the carrots are tender, add 1 cup of peas and stir. The mild curry sausages are ready. You could cook some mashed potatoes to accompany the curry sausages.